So this morning I was prepping this vehicle to go on a road trip, and I looked, and this cable was broken loose from this cable. It's a special connector that then connects to the battery terminal. So I called Ford and asked them if they had that piece, and they said no, it's all part of one battery cable, and they wanted $464 for it. I looked online, and it was about 300 and some odd if you go to another place. So all I did was, this is where it broke off. This end was over here. I just took the piece, drilled a hole through it, cleaned it all up so it made good contact, put some electrical grease on it, and then put a bolt through it all the way through, and that bolt will hold everything. Of course, I cleaned all the corrosion on both sides of the battery, but now that works, and not $464. I even had the bolt. So a couple bucks for some grease and some battery pads, and off we go. Thanks.